Now I will show you how to print your results at the end of your testing. Ensure that the printer is switched on and close by the instrument. At the end of the testing, press the View Test button, and here you can see the tests available for printing. You can select which test to print by pressing on the printer icon next to the test. Then press Print. The device will connect to the printer and the printout will come out. To print results at a later date, you can find the patient by selecting Select Patient, find the patient in the list, and press the View Tests button. Then you can select the ones that you wish to print and press Print.